as we continue to evolve. It's time to fully commit to our new business structure and direct our collective energy toward the opportunities ahead. While we deeply value the dedication, lessons, and milestones of our previous model, holding on to legacy processes or past ways of working will only slow our momentum. Moving forward, we ask everyone to consciously release attachments to the old business, align their efforts with the new framework, and focus on building what's next. This transition is essential to our growth, and your adaptability, teamwork, and forward focus will be critical to our success. Thank you for your continued commitment as we step into this next chapter together. Victory with Ash is coming soon, so stay focused. For future updates, subscribe to the channel and click the bell for all notifications. Share the link to this video.